Aloha, homeowners! Are you dreaming of expanding your island home to create more space for your ohana, or to embrace the beauty of Hawaii even more? At United Construction Group Hawaii, we specialize in custom home additions that harmonize with the unique charm of our islands. Whether you're envisioning a new bedroom, an extended lanai, or a modern kitchen upgrade, our expert team is here to bring your dreams to life. With years of experience and a deep understanding of local architecture, we ensure that every addition seamlessly blends with your existing home. Our commitment to quality craftsmanship and personalized design guarantees a space that's both functional and beautiful. From concept to completion, we handle every detail with care and professionalism, ensuring your project is completed on time and within budget. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Ready to enhance your island living experience? Contact United Construction Group Hawaii today for a free estimate. Let's build your vision together. Mahalo.